When I come a ride, that's why the ops them just wanna take my life. Before the music, I had to put a shift in. Made Lambo, money from a Citroen. I was tapped then, rolling with my kitchen. That's why they want me just lock up in the system. Bad habits in my life with my veins. Bad habits in the nine with the babe. Bad habits gon' end up with a case. Man, I'm bad vibe, just I go away. Cause I was broke, getting peas weren't easy. I'm a sharer now, it's cheeky. First can't believe I'm on TV. They're having flashbacks of CCTV. Tough luck.
What's going on, my people? Thank you for tuning in on another episode with Bam the Petrol Head. And today I've got my good friend Simon. He's bought his beautiful Nardo Grey Audi A3. This is actually a rare model. This is a 3.2. And you know, some of you guys won't know about this, but this has actually got the same engine as the old school R32. So yeah, guys, stay tuned in for this. This is gonna be crazy. It's got some crazy flames coming out of it. It's low to the ground, it's on air, obviously. And he's gonna tell us all about that and how it came about the car. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay guys, as you know, this is not your average Audi 2 litre TFSI or 1.9 diesel. This is the 3.2 V6. This is not a joke, guys. A really powerful car here, and it sounds amazing. That's why people go for these type of cars. It's just like the same with the old school R32. So what mods have you done on this one for us?
So mods, like not a lot. Only basically it's rim up for flames.
Yeah.
And that's it. Basically, the engine is you can't kill it.
Yeah.
If you look after it, you can't kill it. So, like flames, popping banks, and that's it. So you can remap it, but it's not worth it. It's not worth it. So for 10, like literally 10 brake horsepower, it's not worth it. So. But if it's like that, so.
Yeah. And obviously you told me before the state that you got the car in wasn't in the best state when you first got it, and you restored it. So yeah, tell us about that. How was that? Was it
so basically hard? I bought a car and I checked with ECU with the diagnostic system that literally the car is not like it's not connecting, the engine is not connecting to even the diagnostic system. So I took that car to Poland to rebuild basically the engine. So the engine it's not fresh.
It's not fresh, but it's rebuilt.
But it's rebuilt. Literally,
it's
I know, yeah, it's healthy. Yeah, I know what's going on with that and everything. So everything. Well, I should done it. I done it.
So you brought it back to life.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what we can do. What we can say. Yeah. So only look after it, and like everyone who got like 3.2, look after it. Change the oil. Well,
of course, because obviously it's special, not the standard. You know.
Exactly.
So, yeah, definitely.
So big engine. So.
So as I said before, guys, it's heavily modified, and a lot of you won't know that. You think this car is actually on coilovers. Well, it's not. It's actually on airlift, and Simon's here to tell us a bit about that.
So airlift 3H performance, very nice to drive, very comfortable. Like you see, it's laying on the ground, so it's very nice.
Very nice. So you know the kit, did you actually install it yourself? How did you?
No. I don't wanna change shit.
Yeah, of course not.
That was here. Only like I need to do like look after that because that car was not in good condition. So everything basically was checked. Like the one you change was change it, and that's it basically. And that's how it is. It's still driving, still alright. And
so where did you go to actually get it all sorted then? You said
so basically I've done it myself with my friend. He's there. So we do that together. Things what I can't do, like literally in the bearings or whatever, I go to mechanic, my friend as well, so he can done it for me. But like as you see, I've done a lot of things to here. So.
And another really cool thing I love about this is the wheels. Like they're so brave, they're so massive. Like tell us a bit about that then.
So wheels, they're literally white.
Yeah, really wide.
No,
really
so basically WCI CC10, that's the model brand.
Okay.
18-inch, 9.5 wide, so they're very, very wide.
And what, do you have spacers or?
No spacers, no nothing.
Wow.
It is the offset.
Nice,
yeah,
isn't it? It sits really nice.
Literally I bought them, put them in, put the car down. I literally was impressed. Like literally that was the fitment which I'm looking for. And like you see, it's perfect. It's literally perfect. So,
especially being on the air, like the way it just drops so nice. Good one.
So that's the main thing as well. Tires 215 40, 18s, a bit stretch. So looks more aggressive and more like better, you can say.
And I think that was a perfect job. Nice.
Before I had 215 35. Yeah. So that was no good idea because you
Yeah.
can't even drive the UK roads are not very
Exactly.
perfect, so every pothole or stuff like that
Yeah,
is
it's
that
too
was
much, yeah.
too much. So I
So this
changed
one
that for
sits better now.
yeah. So I changed that for like 40 and it's much better.
Okay, so now we're at the back of this beautiful Audi A3, and you know what I really love about this? The wiper delete. That makes a massive difference. Tell us, like, what works have you done to the back? Like, what little mods you done
So
to
the
the back?
like private plate, reversing camera.
Yeah.
I've done it as well. That's very helpful.
Yeah.
RS3 spoiler,
Yeah.
and basically yeah, that's how it is. And
So-
like it's clean.
Yeah. With the camera, was that already like that, or did you install it
No, I
yourself?
installed it myself.
Okay.
I need to buy that literally for the head unit,
Yeah.
and everything works perfectly, and that's very helpful.
Was it a long job doing it? Or?
Basically not that long, like we
Okay.
told, but it was like 2 hours, 2 hours job, so
yeah.
it was alright.
A lot of
So-
YouTube you had to check on YouTube.
No,
Oh.
basically no. Like
Wiring.
too many people, like very many people like done it,
Yeah.
and ask him,
Oh, yeah,
and like
yeah.
okay, you need to die, you need to die. Yeah,
I
done
get-
it.
I
So it's
understand,
alright.
yeah. That's
It's
good.
no hard job.
So yeah, you've also done the headlight upgrade there, I see.
Yeah, the facelift LED,
Yeah.
very nice, good upgrade.
Definitely.
Everyone should do that because it's very nice.
I love the diffuser there.
Yeah, diffuser is like custom basically. It's S3 but it's custom. I need to
Yeah.
cut the diffuser to make the exhaust fit
Yeah.
perfect how I want.
Massive exhaust in it. So what's with that then? What's on?
So exhaust basically was redone like 3-4 times to make on my basically own how I want. Yeah, so basically now it's not too loud like it was before.
Keep on blowing the exhaust. Before.
Yeah, basically like you know the flames are
Yeah.
huge here. That is
Massive.
loud.
Massive flames. This is not a joke, guys. These flames are crazy.
Everyone like a lot of people knows me and
Yeah.
they know how the flames are huge.
Yeah.
So basically, yeah. So I can start it
Yeah,
up. if
let's
you
start
want,
up.
like-
Let's hear some.
you can hear it.
Let's hear these flames, guys. Let's hear. Let's hear some of this. So he hasn't stopped with the mods. As you can see inside here, he's got the double din, and he's also got this airlift kit, which he's going to tell us more about. So what's this about then?
So airlift controller, you can literally adjust yourself how you want to drive. 5 sets for adjusting.
Okay.
Every alloy, basically, sorry, every wheel is
Yeah.
different. You can push it up, push it down. Every second, every wheel each.
Yeah, you can control everything.
Yeah, exactly. So I can put down one alloy basically,
Okay.
one
Oh,
side,
okay.
one corner. So it's
Oh.
not only
It
4
controls
or like
each,
yeah, it
yeah.
controls every wheel
Yeah.
like separately. So
Yeah, that's cool.
that's the main thing basically in
Yeah.
the airlift. You can control everything.
Yeah.
You see when you're driving if something wrong, leaking or not leaking. That's your pressure. That's my pressure for drive normally.
Yeah, okay.
That's my pressure, for example, when we're driving on motorway. So
Yeah.
it looks nice, no potholes, stuff like
Yeah.
that. That's my setup for basically for like big humps or whatever,
Yeah,
stuff like that.
Tower
And on the bottom one is for, of course, for lay down basically on the ground. That's it.
Yeah,
So
of course.
that's the one.
And you said you got this double din you done yourself.
Yeah, double D, like we talked about, like reversing camera,
Yeah,
works
yeah.
perfectly. Quality is very nice.
Yeah, it's
HD.
quite good. Yeah,
It's
definitely.
HD, so it's very helpful. I recommend everyone to do that.
Yeah, and it connects with your Android phone.
Exactly,
as well,
yeah,
so
yeah. Android Auto, yeah, Apple CarPlay.
Yeah.
So everything, yeah, that's Pioneer one head
Yeah.
unit, so it's very nice, sounds nice. So yeah,
Yeah, it's definitely nice and cozy
exactly,
inside.
yeah, exactly.
Okay guys, so now I'm going for my first drive now in this beautiful car. Super low. I've never been in a car with airlift before, to be fair. So this is my first time, my first experience.
You can feel it.
Yeah, I can feel it.
It's
yeah,
nice. It's
yeah.
nice.
It's definitely nice.
It's comfortable.
Yeah. You can choose it. Like now, it doesn't feel like it's so low to the ground compared to when I was just looking at it.
Yeah. That's
It was literally on the ground. The exhaust sounds really nice as well in this. You can really hear it.
It's not that loud, yeah. So,
Yeah.
So basically, before we can't speak to other. We can't
But
speak
with
to other.
all them flames, you would have thought it would be so loud. You know?
Oh yeah, we have a look later.
I like that.
so that's no problem at all. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, some popping banks, stuff like
Yeah.
that. So. What? Jump! Too many humps.
Yeah, way too many humps there.
But airlift,
No problem.
done it. That's how it is called.
Okay, bro. So, like, what's the normal brake horsepower on this then? Standard then?
Standard 250.
250. And obviously,
it's still same.
Yeah, it's still same. You haven't done
Same,
much.
yeah. No.
Yeah. It's
No,
much,
it's not worth it for me.
Yeah,
for me,
yeah.
it's not worth it. A lot
Yeah.
of people doing that, but for me, nah.
to be fair, it's already quite a fast car to be honest with you. It's not super fast, but
Yeah,
it's got
exactly.
power.
Go power, yeah.
It's got power. It'll keep up, innit?
Yeah, that will keep up. Yeah. 250 brakes is not too bad. So for that body,
Yeah, for the body. Yeah.
so it's only A3.
Especially with the airlift, you don't want to really be going. You don't want so much power.
Yeah, exactly,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
You don't want to damage anything.
But the airlift I'm telling you is really nice and smart.
Yeah.
Basically, suspension, because when you go into the towards angle or whatever,
Yeah.
you can see on the controller the pressure will goes to from left front, for example,
Okay.
to left back. Or
So
whatever.
everything's like automatic.
Exactly.
Makes your life so much
everything
easier.
Everything is literally under control.
Yeah. Oi. 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 That is crazy. Woo. Woo. Oh my god, yeah, it's serious. It's not a joke. It definitely will keep up. It's not slow at all. And then proper back, it keeps on firing away.
Yeah.
Fireworks.
It's not fire. It's
Yeah.
not fire at the back, but
Okay.
only popping banks.
Yeah.
I don't want too much fire because
Yeah, of course.
the police is everywhere, so
Yeah.
we need to be smarter.
Of
like
course,
that,
of
so.
course. We need to be smarter than them.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So it's alright.
Yeah, definitely, man. It does the job.
Yeah, that was the job. Yeah, that was a good word for that.
And it looks amazing with the airlift as well.
Yeah, that was the main thing
Yeah,
basically.
yeah.
So yeah, it's really nice. So good
Right.
setup, everything. So now only look after it. It will give you a smile every day.
Yeah, of course. I'm sure you've enjoyed it since.
Oh yeah, every day.
How long have you had it for now then?
In next 2 months will be 2 years. So
Okay. 2 years, yeah. That's
It's
a long
alright.
time. And have you done everything over a period of time, or did you just do it straight away?
No, on the period, basically the first of all was check the engine. The first of all was engine, because the main thing is
Engine,
so
yeah, of course.
engine. I driven the car like 3-4 months.
Yeah.
After that, I go to Poland to rebuild basically the engine.
Yeah.
And after that, we're looking after some issue.
Okay. Just looking after
Suspension,
small,
basically small bits.
finishing job.
Exactly, yeah. So now basically it's need of course some TLC, some
Yeah.
scratches,
So did it?
so it's no new car.
Of course. So did it come Nardo Grey by itself, or how did that happen?
No, that was respray.
Respray.
Yeah. The previous owner done it.
Okay, he done a
Not
good
me.
choice, innit?
Yeah,
good choice.
that's a good choice. Yeah, that was the main thing.
Yeah.
Basically, why I bought that.
Uh-huh.
I seen the color and I love it.
Yeah, for real, same.
So and I go to 100 miles to Bath,
Yeah.
basically to buy it.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's how it is.
Yeah, exactly. It's very good.
That's how it is.
Sometimes you gotta go far, just if it's worth it, it's
Yeah.
worth it.
It's worth it. Golf R is Golf R, it's quick, it's nice, it looks nice, so but
Yeah, it's good, you're right. Yeah, it's right. It's true. But yeah. What's going on, my people? Big shout out for everyone for watching today's episode with Bam the Petrol Head. Big shout out to Simon. I appreciate that coming on today's show. I love this Nardo Grey Audi A3. Literally one of my favorite colors. The airlift makes it even better. The starts on this car is absolutely crazy. I love what he's done with it. Our guys will hope to see more of his work soon, and stay tuned in. Don't forget to
sideways, cowgirl, back shots, Mr. Miyagi, wax off, wax on. I don't even smoke, she want a back strap one, messed up with my good girl and a sad one. Now I'm in a hotel room with a bad one strapped up. I don't wanna give my grandson. These ladies moving crazy, wanna have babies by me lately. I've been keeping my head down, ain't been wildin', taking time out. Cars laid out, got nothing to hide about. Maybe I slipped up once on a night out. If she find out about that, she wild out. The sex feel better when you make up after you break up. All body language, don't wanna say much. We could go back to the AP and lay up or fuck in the